Home Remedies presents One Ingredient. Here's how to disinfect the tongue naturally. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I will show you how to disinfect your tongue naturally and easily. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Tongue cleaning has been practiced in the Eastern world for hundreds of years. Studies suggest that cleaning your tongue regularly can reduce unwanted mouth bacteria that can lead to bad breath, a coated tongue, plaque buildup, and other oral health conditions. We should always opt for natural ways for doing so. Normal brushing is not sufficient to achieve an effective disinfection of the tongue. You can use any of the methods which I will inform you today to disinfect your tongue naturally without risks or contraindicated effects. Mouthwash of mint. The aroma of mint is one of the most peculiar smell, and we would like to have it constantly in our mouth. In addition, the mint has disinfectant and antibacterial properties to help you disinfect your tongue. Ingredients: 250 ml of water, a cup, 10 fresh mint leaves. Preparation: boil a cup of water. When the water has boiled, incorporate 10 sheets of fresh mint previously washed. Let rest until the water has cooled. Filter to remove the leaves. Do a mouthwash with this fluid after normal brushing. Mouthwash of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is used to disinfect the tongue, but also to whiten and remove the yellowing caused by bacteria. Ingredients: 1 liter of water, 250 ml of hydrogen peroxide. Preparation: put both ingredients in a container. Mix well. Do a mouthwash with this liquid every night before going to sleep. You can store it in cool, dry place. Mouthwash of parsley. Parsley is a powerful disinfectant and antibacterial that also helps eliminate odors. Ingredients: 125 ml of water, approximately half cup, 1 sprig of parsley. Preparation: wash the parsley. Put parsley in half a cup of boiling water. Let it cool. Filter to remove the leaves. Do a mouthwash with this fluid after normal brushing. Maintaining oral hygiene is essential to prevent complications. Try these natural methods to disinfect the tongue and have a healthy mouth. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.